to day 2 of my 30 design challenge using Figma. Today I'm designing an Instagram post for an architecture company. To start, I'll grab the frame tool and choose Instagram post. Then I'll place the picture inside the frame and resize it. Using the pen tool, I'll draw a shape over this building and give it a black gradient fill. Now I'll go to the action bar, open plugins and widgets, and run the Perspective Toolkit plugin. I want to place the text so it matches the building's perspective. I'll fill the text with white, place it on the picture, and in the Perspective Toolkit, use the Skew option to adjust it. Then I'll repeat the same process for the other 3 words. Now I want to blur these towers. I'll draw the shape of the building using the pen tool, press Shift X to swap the stroke with fill, lower the opacity, and add a background blur effect. I'll choose progressive and adjust it. Next, I'll draw the shape of the other building. Then I'll right-click on the first one, select Copy Properties, right-click on the second, and Paste Properties. I just need to adjust the angle and repeat the same process for the last one. Finally, I'll bring in the logo and done. Let me quickly show you another feature of this plugin. I'll duplicate the blank frame, place a picture and some text, and run the Perspective Toolkit again. This time I'll go to the Corners tab. I want to place my text on this side of the building. So let's draw a shape, select the text, and click Select UI. Then I'll grab the shape and press Fit to Selected Quad. But the top of the text is cut off, so I'll adjust the corners of the shape to place it correctly. Just keep in mind, when you use the corner options, the text converts to shapes, but in Skew, it stays editable as text. And that's it. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.